Okay, AI enthusiasts, I haven't done a personal video in quite some time, but I had to do this one, and I've done some playing. This is SUNO.com, and it is a music generation platform. Now, recently, there was a little bit of hype in the news about a band on Spotify that people were questioning whether they were real or whether they were AI. There's a really good YouTube video by Rick Beato where he actually tries to separate all the instruments to see if he thinks it was AI, and roughly TLDR, he thinks it's AI. However, it doesn't mean it's bad. I've tried generating music on CapCut and a few other platforms, and it was okay. And then I got into this. And a while ago, I tried it for some almost humorous or pithy, perhaps is a better word of saying it, reasons. And I made a few things. Now I'm going to play you, this is my library here. I've created a little band name called Broken Reunion Tour 1971. You can see some of the things as I progressed through. And I did a bunch of AI ones like Robot Revolution, Digital Heartache, Cloud Protection Anthem. Just silly descriptions to see, is it any good? And I'll show you this is the very first one I did. And by the way, when you create a track, it always seems to create two versions, which is kind of interesting because you get two takes on the same idea or the same prompt. And a little bit like sometimes in ChatGPT, you get two responses and it says, which one do you like? So I'm just going to pick one at random. Hopefully this is picking up system sound and you'll hear Robot Revolution. Yes, I asked her to be techno.
Neon sparks in the midnight air. Machine whispers are everywhere.
It's not bad.
Metal hearts beat to the rhythm's flare.
You can jump ahead.
Electric free. Tomorrow's ride the wave for techno flow. Robots lead, now we roll.
Okay. That's not terrible. It's not great if it's not your style of music, but it's amazing that it has all of the components of a pop song, the bridge, the pre-chorus. It's kind of got everything. I asked for one. I'll do the short version for Digital Heartache. British male voice, blues, heavy blues. Could it write a blues song for me? Okay. I did say British. It seems unlikely we get that right, but that's very specific. Like the rendering of the guitar. I have a guitar behind me.
She was pixels and code and electric spark. Felt so
kitchen.
real in the night so dark.
It
But
makes
she
up the lyrics
vanished in a
too.
blink one day. Left my heart in disarray. Turned on the screen but she's gone for good. Standing
Let's
here
skip to
where
the
she
chorus.
once. She saw my soul through server eyes. Now the circuits hum but that empty code. All the magic turned
Yes.
to old. Her voice haunts me in the data stream. Just a ghost of my lost dream. Deleted file where she used to live. My digital heart can't forgive.
What? That's interesting. Yeah, forget the fact that I gave it a purpose that is stupid. That isn't too bad. Now I'm going to skip over Cloud Protection Anthem. And I'm going to go straight to what I just tried to do recently because I'm not really happy with I feel like I could probably write my own lyrics that would be a little bit better than what it's doing. So I just asked it to make some instrumentals because I thought I might use them on some of my videos. And so I started with Groove Machine. You can see funk, instrumental, groove, bass line, uplifting, and it made a couple for me. This one's okay, but this one, now I'm starting to see why there's a band on Spotify that is only AI. Take a listen. I like that. And then it picks up. If this played a band played this and I was at a pub or a gig or I'd be like, cool. This is great background music. That's progressive. The be a bridge at some point. There you go. I thought, okay, that's a little too good. I'm a little annoyed. Now, the final one. This was too good. I asked for, you can see EDM with a touch of Spanish flair. And that's a pretty accurate prompt. Upbeat tempo. I even gave it BPM, dynamic drops, and look at what it did. I wanted the idea of this. Actually made me think I should just make a whole band based on. I love the idea of Spanish guitar. I love the sound of Spanish guitar, but I also love a good EDM beat. And I've never really heard it combined. So I asked for the instrumental, and this is what I got. Slightly syncopated bass line. Wait till it's get. If this was playing on an EDM gig, I'd go nuts. What the heck? Let's get to the end. Look at it. It takes the bass out. It does like a DJ would do. It brings it back in. Takes all the. Check it out, and it gives you an ending. What the heck is going on with AI generated music? That's too good. I mean, you can probably upload your own lyrics if you want, write things yourself, but suddenly I'm thinking, I used to write my own music. I had a SoundCloud for a bit, and I created these things in 0 time. This Rhythm of the Flame one, I didn't. It even made this graphic. I didn't do that. It gave it a title, almost like an album cover style image. It's nuts. I am going to publish these 2 instrumentals. I don't know what that means, but if you need music, I think you're supposed to upgrade down here. Like, this is all free. I did this for free, and I think you're meant to upgrade to, like, look at this. Come on, $8 a month for a pro plan. I don't know if that means you can commercial use rights for the songs made while subscribed. There you go. $8 a month, and now you are a professional musician and you know absolutely nothing about how to make music. This is just going to turn everything on its head.